everyone, Kerry Engel here with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine and a technique taster. Today I'm going to show you how I created this layout using an art impression stamp, MultiCraft papers, thread, some great MultiCraft feathers, and Kelly creates pens and adhered everything with some glue dot adhesives. To start, I grabbed some paper from the MultiCraft packs here, the Forever in Time. It's a collection full of all kinds of black and white papers. So I chose two papers here. I'm going to layer them with my image in the middle. And you can see I'm just attaching them at the back. And I matted my photo in some black MultiCraft paper. And I'm going to put it on top like this. Once I did that, I cheated. I did something off camera and I took the string that came with some MultiCraft tags and I stitched a border around my frame because I wanted to add a little bit more texture and a little more definition to my layout. I'm going to adhere the picture to the papers using some glue dots adhesive. Now, I've made a lot of cards with this particular stamp and I thought it would be really fun to try using it in a layout. So what I did was I made a mask, and to make a mask you stamp your image, stamp my image, and then I cut it out. What I did from there was I created a gaggle of ladies. So to create a group of ladies using the mask, I'm going to stamp one set of ladies first, leaving myself some space over here to the right. Then what you do is you take your mask and you lay it on top. And I'm just going to put a little bit of purple tape here to keep it from moving. And we're going to put the next set of ladies right on top. And once I get going, I could create a whole big line of ladies, but we'll stop here at a set of 4. So very simple. So I stamped these ladies and then I cut them out. Stick them in here. They're going to be all happy and joyous, chatting above all of us. And we've created a really cute embellishment using a stamp in a completely different way. I stamped one more version of the ladies, and this time I'm coloring them with some Dyestress inks by Clearsnap. You simply smush it onto some plastic, and I'm going to do 2 different colors because I'm going to want to create some shading with my inks. And I give it a little spray. And use a water brush too. Just go in and color. After I colored it, I cut it out. And to color the faces, I know faces are always difficult, I used the cat tail with a little posy and made some really cute rosy cheeks on our women, and they're done. Now I'm going to take my ladies, my colored ladies, stick them here at the bottom of my layout. And I found some really fun feathers by MultiCraft. And I thought they would work really well in this layout. And I'm going to just sort of stick them here on the corner. So I used Kelly's Silky Smooth cardstock for stamping ladies, and I'm going to use it again here to write my sentiments and my journaling, or I guess my title and my journaling for the layout. I'm sure many of you have seen Kelly Klapstein write in her beautiful hand lettering, and I do love using her pens to put my own journaling on my papers. Pens actually work really great for printing as well. You can get some nice depth in your letters. So I used these 3 colors to create my journaling. I did little journaling strips, and I'll adhere these strips now with my glue dot adhesives. So here's a really cute and simple layout using a stamp in a completely card stamp in a completely different manner, adding some fun MultiCraft products to it as well, and a great memory.